Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. Now, if you don't already have an account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login page. In order to create a new account, use the bottom section where you will be asked to enter your email address. Type in your desired email address for sign up and click on the Create Account button. You will then be asked to check your inbox of the email address that you just used. So log into this email and open it up, and you will find an email from Craigslist which contains a link which says Complete Account Sign Up. Click on this button and now you will be allowed to create your password. You can also click on Go Passwordless if you don't wish to set up a password and log in through authentication. Otherwise, just type in your desired password and then type in this new password once again for confirmation. You can then click on the Set Password option and then you can click on Continue to your account or the Continue to Homepage button in order to start using your newly created Craigslist account right away. Click on I accept and now you can start using Craigslist. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.